Well, my name's Ben Bridenstine. I've been managing at this bar for just over 12 years. Pretty much our goal here is to provide a home away from home type of environment for students and the community alike that consists of a safe, friendly, and comfortable environment to relax in. I feel like without CMU, this town, wouldn't be what it is today. Students, faculty, professors alike, and they all come into this bar. So, I mean, without them, I feel like the bird probably wouldn't really be here. Just come in, and if you don't know what you're into, we're more than happy to help find whatever it is you would like.